What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna try, keyword, try to diagnose what is going on with this car and try to fix it. So in the last event I had a misfire. The video is going to be over here, by the way. If you haven't seen it, go watch it later on. Anyways, in short, I had a misfire all day, and then eventually I lost cylinder 1 completely. The reason I knew it was cylinder 1 is because I unplugged the coil pack and then nothing changed. So I assume it is caused by either spark plugs or coil packs, because I have never changed the coil packs on this car since I got it. And I changed the spark plugs last year around this time. So it's been some time. So I really hope that is the reason, because if anything worse than that, I'd have to pull the engine and probably rebuild it. I don't think it's the head gasket, because there was no steam, no loss of coolant, and it wasn't overheating, right? And then I don't think it's from the piston ring or the ringland, because there was no smoke. And if it was the piston ring or the ringland, there will still be combustion going on in the chamber, and the cylinder wouldn't completely be gone. So I hope it's just the spark plug or the coil pack. Man, the downside of going to Apple Valley Speedway is your whole car is going to be covered in dust. And what is that? Probably some sort of combination of booty dust and titty sweat. Ugh. Anyways, this is what we're trying to fix today. Apparently that's the source of the problem. And would you look at this beautiful, this beautiful header. The video link is going to be up over here if you haven't seen my installation video of this equal length header that I got from eBay. Ooh, that is beautiful. Oh. Anyways. And now it works. What? Man, I swear, on the track, when I disconnect the cylinder number 1, nothing changed. But apparently, it fixed itself. To be safe, let's still change everything and see if it makes a difference. Oof. That might cause it. This is from number 1, this is from number 2. It's kind of obvious that cylinder number 1 was burning worse than number 2, because it's much darker, you know. So judging from the tip, cylinder number 1 definitely lived a worse life, much worse life than any other ones. The tip in the middle, it is much, much darker than the rest of the 5 cylinders. Yeah. So I think the misfire was real. It's just probably over time it kind of cooled down, you know, the engine. It was really hot. It was a hot day and I was hot lapping. And on top of that, I was drifting for 2 days straight. So, yeah. Now let's install the new ones. Alright, so for the spark plugs, I got the NGKB. If you ever, can you focus? God damn, boy. Oh my god. Alright, there you go. It's NGK BKR6EQUP. And for the coil packs, I got the Bremy, whatever model it is. I got this from FCP Euro, and I'm going to put both of the links underneath in the description. Well, time to do a compression test. I think I might have broken it. Well, I don't know. I don't know if it's condensation or smoke. This definitely never happened before. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it is quite a lot. It didn't even happen on the track. Yeah, my car is toasted. Wah, wah, wah. Oh, there you go. It's even more. Nice. Yeah. Oh, Lord. Lovely. Don't you just love drifting? So now that we know it is smoking, it doesn't really smell like coolant. I mean, the really weird thing is the car wasn't smoking on the track, and it wasn't smoking when I pull it back to the garage, and it wasn't really smoking until, well, just now. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna pull the spark plugs out and see if any of them is covered in oil. It actually smells like exhaust gas with some unburned fuel in it. Smell it? Look. The thread is covered in oil, but the tip is relatively dry. Interesting. Did you hear the hiss? Oh my god. Alright, anyways. When I just opened it, I heard the hiss. So it means there is pressure built up in the system. That left with only one explanation. I think I'm gonna drain the oil. I need to do an oil change anyways. So that way I can see if there's anything in the oil pan. Well, that'll be for the next episode. So, on that note, it is a wrap. Oh, I guess I either have to rebuild it or swap the 1J in it. We'll see. But thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.